So I just sliced and diced my finger.
What's goody?
Hello,
it's your boy Carter.
It's Maya
and
here.
You know, running late as always. So we're getting ready to go into this aerial yoga class.
Yeah.
She
just texted me. We gotta go inside now.
So
a
we
lot
coming.
of people are late, so she said she'll start in 2 minutes.
Oh, so yeah,
okay,
we
cool.
good then. All right. So yeah, we about to go in here. Kind of self-explanatory. We're gonna be hanging upside down and stuff.
Yeah.
Hope we don't throw up, all that good stuff.
We'll be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, come on.
All right, here we go.
Yeah. We're in Walmart.
Yo.
There you go.
8 minutes to spare.
Literally
Literally
running.
just turned to 7.
Yeah, running. Just feel like little soon.
Yeah.
We were doing a bunch of stuff all day. Y'all just thought we were fixing the thing. I had to change because I felt like a bum. I was supposed to put lip gloss on, but I didn't. So this is gonna open. He gonna let us in. Or what? What's he? I think the vet tell us don't come in here.
7 minutes.
So yeah, we're just getting a few things from Walmart. Oh shoot, we do really gotta run down. What are we getting? Should we split up and meet back?
Shower rods should be split up.
For real? I feel like they about to kick us out of here.
Where's the crab cakes at? Yeah, that's
So
the
there.
complete opposite end of the store.
I didn't get a toothbrush too.
First time is 10:55. Walmart will be closing in 5 minutes.
Yeah, they're kicking us out. Pretty much. Is this it? Oh, here's one. This one. Yep, there you go.
Is
Yep.
it 9?
Yep, $10.
Okay.
Okay. I get toothbrush. I gotta get toothbrush. Yeah, toothbrush is over here. I want to get some lotion too. I'm gonna get whatever little 96 sit. We got one that's like, I should get.
Yeah, just get it like 5 packs.
Which one's on $1? Okay. Yeah.
To the other side of the store.
Yeah. Go ahead, do your march. wait. Stop. Okay, do it again.
Marching band.
It's funny.
Our band leaders, y'all know what time it is.
Neither one of us around.
Band person, but I know a couple of them. I'll be seeing y'all get down with your little.
Neither one of us like did that stuff. I actually auditioned, but I didn't have any rhythm either. He said he ain't had no rhythm.
I would love to see that tape.
Embarrassing. I mean, why not? That's part of my story. It was definitely embarrassing though.
Yeah.
I auditioned for not a bunch of stuff. I was in a talent show, Santa Horrible. I auditioned for one of those things, literally 2 left feet all over the place, a mess. Yeah. Down. That's not a good beat, is it? Okay, we're done putting our food together. This is what we're eating, y'all.
We're more decorated than mine.
Yeah, we're just eating at this point. It's literally just kind of slopped together because we didn't have time to get the stuff, everything that we wanted to get. So
It's almost like 12:30 in the morning.
yeah, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. So good night.
Again.
Then.
Where is it? Why are you right in my face though? One of my personals.
Yeah, oh, perfect.
One of my personals, bruv.
Bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
London ting, yeah. My things, bruv.
Guys,
That was good.
he's so goofy.
That was good. You
I
guys
have
did
a
that.
crazy hang down. It's so annoying. I don't know why I'm just vlogging the most random stuff. We're literally not doing anything. We're just
Literally just eating lasagna, yeah.
yeah, eat the veggie lasagna.
Eating a little lasagna, yeah. Yeah.
There's the finished product, so about to eat. Let me show it to you. Yeah, it does look good. It looks tasty.
It tastes as good as it looks. Yeah, let's get it.
Alright, I'll let you know what it tastes like. Get better at these things. Hey guys,
What's happening, guys? It's Cardi.
Cardi.
Playboy Cardi.
So I just sliced some dice on my finger.
She's alright.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
I hope. No, I'm
No,
fine.
you're good. Stop it.
Yeah, we were making breakfast and doing a reel and all that stuff. But I was like, we should probably record too, you know. So
Yeah.
sharing what we're doing. This guy's so good at, he's so good in like all situations. He's just good in like
Man, just a lo-fi
crisis. He's a lo-fi guy because I put my finger and I was just like, oh, just looking at it. Like he's like, okay, let's go get a Band-Aid. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. Let's go get some wrap. Like I'm like, do I need stitches? He's like, no, I don't think so. You just need to put some pressure on it. He's like, put some pressure on it. I'm just looking at it like.
Squeezing it,
looking at it bleed. Looking at it bleed because obviously it's
Okay,
like wrapped
let's
up.
wrap it up.
So it was bleeding a lot. This wasn't a band, you know. We tried. We were gonna do a Band-Aid. I was like, I don't know, because it was bleeding a lot. So
A little hand was shaking.
Yeah. So yeah,
You okay?
it's interesting. Little morning session.
Yeah.
Not even morning, it's in the afternoon. You know, because our time kind
Yeah,
of
we're West Coast time.
lazy Sunday.
It's
Yeah.
11 o'clock in the morning over there.
But if we were over there, we would just get up at the same time here. It would still be. It would just be entertainment. It would be just even later in the day. But yeah, we're just making some breakfast. I wanted grits for the past couple of days, so I'm making some grits.
This is true.
Yeah, I've been talking about grits, right? So we're making grits and biscuits out the can. So let me show y'all what we got going. It's my camera's about to die. Great biscuits. You just want to stir it up.
Sizzle, baby.
Sizzle, sizzle. And then
Smells good.
yeah, it does smell good. And then boiling some milk for the grits. So yeah, this is this guy. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and let this keep cooking and y'all can watch. We'll talk to y'all soon.